Hey traders, Jason here with a Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to predict where prices can go. And then also a couple trades we took in the Discord chat room, that setups, and then also just want to give you guys an update for what to expect tomorrow. So let's jump into it. So yesterday I said watch for this M pattern, right? Whenever you hear me use the M pattern, it's M for meltdown. If you ever see a W pattern, that's a W for winner, right? Watch for a move higher. So I said this, we were right around 46.91, and this was yesterday intraday, right? So if we go look at the chart, it was somewhere right around these levels where I was saying that. And look at what happened, right? Price kind of had that double top, kind of tried to break down, came to the neckline, rallied overnight, and then just when the market opened, just started selling and all that. So how do we predict where prices can go? Well, this is where we're going to grab our Fibonacci extension. Okay, and we're just going to look for the M pattern, right? And you could see the M here, right? And so this right here would be kind of this leg, and let me draw a box around it. All of this leg is all of this price action is traded within that one leg, right? So if that visually you could see just this leg, all this is traded. So when we break below that low, we've now made a high, a low, and then a lower low, right? Or sorry, a high. Once price breaks below right here, like we did, that actually creates a lower high. So we have a high, a low, a lower high, and then a lower low. So how could we predict where prices can go? Well, this is where we grab our Fibonacci extension, go from this high to this low, and then all the way back up. And look at what price did, right? It took a day or so for it to actually finally resolve itself to the downside, but that's what the markets do. It makes it tough for us sometimes. But look at this. Price came right down to our 127.2% and then bounced. Okay, our 1618%, okay, is right down here at this 4650 level, and then our 200% is at the 4636. Well, if I had something to say, I'd say, hey, I'll kind of show you guys, I really like this level for the ultimate target, because if you look on the reverse waterfall, we've had higher lows. Today we actually broke lower. If I was to say how far is price can go before we kind of have a major bounce or anything like that, I would probably say right around this 4630 and change level, right, which is a low volume node on the market profile. Okay, so even though we bounced, this is kind of what we're looking at is a bear flag. Okay, if we kind of want to look at it this way, here's a bear flag, here's the flagpole. Okay, I'd watch for price to go lower. Well, if we want, we could grab our Fibonacci extension, go from this high right here to this low all the way back up. And now look at this. Our 618 just from this bear flag matches up with this 618, which also matches up with my weekly trade zones that I offer. I'm going to do a quick plug, $50 for a lifetime subscription, one-time payment, links down below in the description, but or go to my website, daytradingfearless.com, and look at how everything matches up. And we also have a open gap when I talk about these, right, we have open gaps here, things like that, right? So market structure, VPOCs, things like that. So with that being said, this is how you predict where prices potentially can go. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys and all that. So I really kind of like what's going on with the market. I still think there's more downside going to follow through tomorrow. Now, let me show you a couple things real quick, couple trades that we took today in the market. First, I said to watch, where are we? Okay. So right here this morning, I say, hey, watch the 47.06.8 above, and then the 73 to 75 levels down here, right, for a low. And then I also said, watch this 46.90 and a quarter. Right, I'm going to give you guys the good and the bad. The 46.90 price kind of flushed right through. I thought we would bounce right here, just because we had multiple things. We actually had a prior high here. We also had yesterday's value area low. Kind of blew right through. Came up, literally might have gotten 2 ticks, but would have rode a lot down. Don't like that trade. But the second trade setup was the morning trade zone. And look at the trade zone. We overshot it a little bit by a couple points, but then had nice reversal and then right back up. So that trade worked out pretty good. And then finally, I said new trade zone. I kind of alerted everybody, watch for a short at the 86 to 88 level. Price rallied and we missed it by a point. Okay, it just happens. It's part of trading, part of the life of a trader. You have to accept your losses, and look at that. That would have been a great move to the downside. Can't win them all. So hopefully this helps you guys. I try and make these very educational for you guys, but also kind of give you guys what to look for the following day. Bear flag. Think of this as one major price level. We came back up and we were rejecting it, right? I would love to see a lower price into that 46.50 level. That is the level I'm going to be watching. And hopefully that kind of gives you guys a little guide. Also, if we come back to this, one of my market profile charts, look at this, just draw a trend line. Right, kind of broke down from it. We're on the back side of it. Maybe overnight, get back up to that 86, 87 level, and then move lower. But we will see what happens. But as always, thank you for watching. Links are down below for Discord, my S&P Emini trade zones, and hope to see you guys in the room. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.